my tail behind night after night.
Countryside.
Now I see with dreams of Nashville and wild.
So just reached the destination and try to catch some fish. क्या बोलता गुरु मच्छी पकड़ते हैं थोड़ा देखते हैं होगा तो party all over the place. There's one tent. I parked my car there, so let's go down, and here we'll try and catch some fish. Take out this one, carry this. And here is my tent, so I have to find a good space. That's not a good one, it's a little bit sloppy, but this one is good. But there is a small one, cactus. Where is my machete? I think I forgot it, or maybe I'll build my camp here, this side, but I don't think so. That side is good, or maybe this side. This is a nice spot. A small cactus. Right now we will clean this mud, a bit soil. We will clean this soil and then we will put our mattress inside and the tent, and everything is done. Almost. Yeah, looks good. Now it's clean, and now we will use our tarp on top, and then I will put mattress inside. See you. This place looks good for a table. Now it's done, and now we can sit here. And that's how it looks like. Nice place, nice spot. There are some people over there doing some camping, and here we are. And let me lock my car and run us inside. Oh, I forgot my bed sheet. This time I forget. I always thought about my mattress, and this time I forget it. But no problem. I have another mattress which looks good, brownish, and I have a sleeping bag. I think I don't have to use blanket because it's like a little bit humidity here inside. I have to open the windows, every windows. So let's go out. That's how the view look. And here's Snowy. Oh. Nice farm. One, two, three, four, five, six, six chickens and one snowy. And here am I. We will see you in the morning. So have a great day, have a great night. Hoi. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. This is how I look early in the morning. Sunrise. Beautiful sunrise. This is nice place to camp. And I here all the stuff. And I will drink first and then I will go to a different place. See you. And I just finished my meal. I can say breakfast. I just finished it, and now I will charge my solar panel. I have to change my clothes. I need my short, so let me found. I will wear this one, and my shoes are here. Let's go and change my clothes ASAP. But first I have to open the windows because I want to see all the view, and I needed some ventilation stuff. And there's my another mattress because sometimes it's hot inside, so I put my mattress there with a pillow so I can sleep wherever I want. Here I will put my things. The weather is good now. It's a little bit cloudy. The rain will come at any time, so I have to prepare. I have to close the door, and I will sleep here. See you. Yeah, this is a nice place. And the weather was so nice. Now there is no sun, but there is some mist. Some mist. You can see the clouds on top. There, it's all cloudy, and it's good. Sleep beside the tree. Doggo, hello. Oh, so cute. I just woke up and it's sunny day, but it's windy. एंड हियर वी गो अगेन। और लगाते हैं यहाँ टेंट, यहाँ लगाएंगे हम टेंट। थोड़ी जगह देख रहे हैं हम, एक यहाँ है नीचे, और चलते हैं अब नीचे।